Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by mounting the site and getting a reliable reference. First, attach the site to the riser and tighten bolts evenly to manufacturer torque. This prevents shift. Next, align the housing so the scale faces you and use an arrow level or plumb to make the site vertical within about 1 degree. Once done, set the pin or aperture roughly at your expected aiming height and draw gently to confirm the site stays aligned before moving to windage and elevation adjustments. You now create a baseline so adjustments are predictable. Set both elevation and windage to their center or 0 marks. This gives you a neutral starting point. Place a clear aiming point at 20 yards and shoot consistent 3-arrow groups, focusing on form. After each group, measure the offset of the group center from the aiming point and record results. This tells you how many clicks or millimeters to move the site. Make small incremental changes and reshoot groups to confirm direction and magnitude of correction. You finish by refining and validating your setup. Make measured adjustments, 1 click or a known millimeter at a time, and shoot groups after each change so you see the effect. Once 20-yard grouping is consistent, step out to 30 and 50 yards and set additional pins or note holdovers. If groups shift erratically, inspect the arrow rest, knocking point, plunger tension, and arrow spine. Inconsistent hardware or arrows cause scatter. If problems persist, tighten mounting hardware and repeat baseline checks before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.